Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Jeep Wrangler hardtops versus soft tops. We'll explore the key differences to help you decide which option best suits your lifestyle. Think about how you'll use your Jeep most often, whether for daily commutes or adventurous off-roading. Understanding these factors is crucial for making an informed choice for your vehicle. Hardtops provide a more secure and insulated cabin. You'll notice a significant reduction in road noise, making highway driving much more comfortable. They also offer superior protection from the elements, keeping you warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Plus, the rigid structure adds an extra layer of security against potential theft. Soft tops are all about convenience and the open-air experience. You can quickly fold them down or remove them entirely, transforming your Jeep in minutes. They are lighter than hardtops, which can slightly improve fuel efficiency and typically come at a lower initial cost. Enjoy the freedom of the road with a soft top. When making your final decision, consider your local climate and how often you'll want that open-air feel. Think about your budget, as hardtops can be more expensive upfront, and where you'll store a removed top. Both options offer unique advantages, so choose what aligns best with your adventures. Also, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.